In this video, we've put together reviews of top 5 soldering kits available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the Weller WLC 140 watt soldering kit. The Weller WLC 100 soldering station is the best soldering station we can recommend for you. It provides you with everything you may need to make your job a success without any extra effort. This soldering kit features a design and well-structured composition that seeks to appeal to every do-it-yourself enthusiast and hobbyist around the world. The WLC 100 soldering station is different from regular soldering kits, especially with its operations. The focus of this product is its pencil iron that has been designed with an ST3 iron-plated copper tip. The ergonomics behind this pencil iron ensure that you can make use of it for extended periods without any damage to your body. The handle of the pencil iron has been designed with a cushioned foam grip that offers maximum comfort while you work. At number 4 is the X-Tronic Digital Display Soldering Kit. The X-Tronic Digital Display Soldering Iron Station, the best economic soldering kit on the market today. Not only does this unit cost less and offer more, but it is also one of the best soldering kits you can ever purchase, with many great additional features that make it exciting to use. The X-Tronic soldering station is sold as a complete kit and is well suited for both expert and beginner tradespeople. The X-Tronic soldering iron station features items such as the soldering iron station, a soldering iron holder, a solder roll holder, a brass sponge tip cleaner, and a silicone cord. It features switches that help you regulate various functions, which will be displayed on the product's blue LED fully adjustable temperature display. Some of such switches include a 10-minute sleep timer, a Celsius/Fahrenheit switch, and a cool down function for when your unit gets too hot for comfort. Top 3 at our list is the Dremel 2001 Versa Butane Soldering Kit. The Dremel Versa is a must-have soldering kit in all homes and workstations. The Versa tip from Dremel is a butane soldering torch made from the finest, high-grade materials to offer an unbeatable level of functionality and durability. It works with precision to ensure each solder produced is excellent. With this product, no ignition tool is required. The Versa is a complete soldering kit made up of 14 elements that can be used for activities such as hot cutting, wood burning, area heating, shrinking, and most importantly, soldering. The Dremel Versa encourages a more simplified system of operation due to its flame lock-on feature. This system is well suited for those working on extended use projects. Moving up at number 2 is the Hakko FX888D23 by Digital Soldering Station. The Hakko Soldering Station, an impressive digital soldering iron for your next project at home and on the construction site. A complete set upon purchase, this soldering station includes elements such as a cleaning wire, an iron holder, soldering irons, a sponge, and an easy-to-understand manual. Like every other model we discussed in earlier points, the Hakko soldering station offers you a chance to adjust the temperature settings of your solder to suit the type of work being done. The Hakko soldering station features a thermal recovery heater output that delivers terrific heat conductivity. This system works to help prolong the lifespan of your tip by reducing the thermal impact on all components and also reducing the rate of oxidation. It makes use of a digital display and is compatible with the T18 tips that reduce the thermal impact placed on your workpiece. And at number 1 is the UI-Chan Soldering Iron Station Kit. The UI-Chan Soldering Station Kit comes with accelerated sensors that are powered by an STM32 chip, together with dual temperature sensors for swift and smooth operations. To prevent your device from overheating, the UI-Chan Soldering Kit features an automatic overheating warning that alerts you whenever the temperature rises above the average. If you're experiencing any issues with your soldering station and need a fresh start, the UI-Chan offers you the ability to reset your device via your computer. You get to reprogram custom functions as well as the temperature rising curves to suit your jobs. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.